Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy kebab at home. Start by gathering your ingredients for delicious homemade gravy kebabs. You'll need about 1 pound of ground meat, like lamb or beef, along with 1 large onion, finely chopped, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 2 green chilies for that perfect kick. Also, have 1 teaspoon each of cumin, coriander, and garam masala ready to go. Now let's prepare the kebab mixture. In a large bowl, combine your ground meat with the finely chopped onion, minced garlic, ginger paste, and green chilies. Next, add all your spices, the cumin, coriander, and garam masala. Mix everything thoroughly with your hands until it's well combined. Then, form the mixture into small, cylindrical kebab shapes, roughly 2 inches long. It's time to cook those delicious kebabs. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Carefully place your formed kebabs into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally until they are beautifully browned on all sides. You'll want to ensure their internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Finally, let's create that rich gravy. In the same pan, sauté 1 more chopped onion until it turns golden brown. Then, add 1 cup of tomato puree and 1/2 cup of water, letting it simmer for about 10 minutes to thicken. Gently return your cooked kebabs to the gravy and let them simmer together for another 5 minutes. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve your homemade gravy kebabs hot with rice or naan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.